Join us this Saturday, May 30th on our new virtual camp.
Hola, amigos. I really want to have you over in my Spanish class on May 30th. You're going to learn all about going to the beach. We're going to pack a bag. We're going to have so much Spanish fun. I can't wait to have you.
Welcome to Code Ninjas. I'm going to take you on a little tour of our dojo. These are our amazing senseis. Oh. Thank you. They're working hard, preparing for the camp that we're coming up to do. And what we're going to do there is an amazing activity called Algorithm.
Challenge Island helps children's imaginations by allowing them complete total freedom. We give them a challenge and they have to work collaboratively, communicate to solve that challenge.
Hey campers, we know you're going to be hungry after so much fun learning. We have a great lunchtime plan for you. Don't forget to bring your lunch. We're going to eat together, learn about some unusual foods from different places, and then you're going to get to make a really cool snack. We can't wait to see you.
Welcome to the night school. How do you feel? I am so excited. This Saturday, May 30th, we are going to have an awesome party. It's going to include a chess party. If you are a brand new beginner, if you've never even heard of chess, that is totally fine because we are going to teach you. And if you already know how to play, if you're super advanced, we are going to have an actual online tournament in the middle of this camp. It is going to be so much fun. I'm excited. You're excited. I can't wait.
Hello, geology enthusiasts. Welcome to a crash course into identifying rocks and minerals based on their physical properties. If you happen to have a rock collection, bring it out. If you don't have any rocks or minerals collection, just go outside and see if you can find any rocks in your backyard or just along the sidewalk. Wash them a little bit and bring them on, and let's take a look, and I will help you identify rocks and minerals.